Meet Tom. Tom runs a sign fabrication business. Tom's company produces and installs the signs that help people find their way through places like hospitals, airports, stadiums, and universities. Every day, Tom and his team juggle spreadsheets, message schedules, location plans, shop drawings, artwork, work orders, change orders, permits, site instructions, and changing timelines. Every project needs to start with an accurate quote. Then they move on to artwork creation. Next, each sign needs to be made, which may include cutting, painting, and printing. And finally, there's a packaging of the signs, delivery, and installation. Multiply all that work over several projects and you start to understand what Tom is up against. It's a lot to keep track of. From start to finish, Tom needs access to detailed project information. Without that, a project can spiral out of control very quickly. Tom also has to keep the designer and his client in the loop. Mistakes result in wasted time and materials, which means shrinking profit margins. Tom has often wished for a better way. He'd much rather go fishing this weekend, but now he has to work to make up for this mistake. That's why he was so happy when he found SignAgent. SignAgent is used by design firms, facility managers, and sign fabricators around the world. With SignAgent, Tom no longer has to balance multiple documents, emails, and files. In SignAgent, all sign specifications, including production-ready layered vector files with braille, locations, and up-to-the-minute instructions, are available right at Tom's fingertips. With SignAgent, Tom gets access to all the information he needs to make sure every sign in a project is produced according to plan and installed correctly and in the right location. And with SignAgent, everyone is in the loop: designers, facility managers, and installers. Using the SignAgent mobile app, Tom's installers can even update the status of each sign as they complete their work, or they can add comments for review when things don't go according to plan. With SignAgent, Tom and his team have been able to complete projects on time and on budget, with a big reduction in errors and a lot less stress along the way. And that makes everyone happy. Want to learn how SignAgent can improve your sign fabrication process and save you time and money? Sign up today for a demo and free trial, and begin your journey to better wayfinding and sign management.